Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video, chances are you are about to finish your 10th standard and you are wondering which stream to choose next. Well, don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and insights that will help you make an informed decision about your future. Tip number 1, understanding the available streams. First things first, let's talk about the different streams that are available after 10th standard. Generally, there are 3 main streams that you can choose from: science, commerce and arts. Each stream has its own unique subjects and career options. Now let's talk about science. Science stream includes subjects like physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. This stream is suitable for the students who have an interest in the fields of engineering, medicine, research or any other scientific fields. Next, commerce. Commerce stream includes subjects like accountancy, business studies, economics and mathematics. This stream is suitable for the students who have an interest in the field of commerce, business, management or finance. Third, arts. Arts includes subjects like history, geography, political science, sociology, physiology and economics. This stream is suitable for the students who have an interest in the fields of arts, social science, humanities or law. Tip number 2, assessing your subjects and aptitude. Now that you know about the available streams, it's time to assess your own interest and aptitude. Think about which subject you enjoy studying and what you excel at. Consider your strengths and weaknesses and think about what you want to achieve in the future. Tip number 3, researching career options. Once you have a better idea of your interest and aptitude, it's time to research the career options that are available in each stream. Look into the different courses and professions that you can pursue after completing each stream. Try to find out as much information as you can get about the job perspectives, salaries and growth opportunities for each career options. Tip number 4, seeking guidance from experts. If you are still unaware about which stream to choose, don't hesitate to seek guidance from experts. Talk to your teachers, parents or career counselors. They can help you identify your strengths and interests and provide valuable insights into the different career options that are available in each stream. Tip number 5, making an informed decision. Finally, it's time to make an informed decision. Consider all the information that you have gathered and weigh the pros and cons of each stream. Choose the stream that aligns with your interest, aptitude and career aspirations. At the last, so that you have it, some tips and insights to help you choose the right stream after 10th standard. Remember, this is an important decision that will shape your future, so take your time, do your research and make an informed decision. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.